2016 Chrysler 300S V6. What we got done on it, it's got stock converters there and there, factory X pipe. Then we did mid muffler delete right there and right there. Replaced it with 2 1/4 pipe. Then we did rear resonator delete there and there and replaced it with 2 1/4 pipe. That's how you get it done. This is everything we cut off right there. There's the 2 resonators and the 2 mufflers. Some people call them mufflers. Some people call them resonators. It's up to you. Anyways, this is what it looks like after. That's how you get it done right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Sounds good. Sound decibels? It peaked at like 49. Let him back it up. Chrysler 300S. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Chrysler 300S. 300S. Tint all the way around. It looks really clean.